we're doing is taking any doctor from any hospital out to deliver services.
For parents, it's always daunting or stressful to think that your child may have a heart problem. So being able to provide either reassurance or at least the appropriate care and appropriate counselling is important.
It means, a week not away from home. It means just a day.
For us to travel to Newcastle to see them, we've got to pay accommodation costs and take 2 days off work.
What that really means is that 8,000 nights were spent at home for little people.
Being a low socioeconomic population, they don't have access, they don't have cars, they don't have the money. So being able to bring the service here has been absolutely incredible.